Hi there and welcome to SharqiDance. My name is Yame and every week I'm here on this channel breaking down basic belly dance movements to help you get started on your belly dance journey or to practice between classes. Today I'm going to be breaking down hip twists. So let's just get up and get started. For this movement, I like to have my feet a little bit wider than the width of my hip bones apart. And you can try to flare out your toes very slightly. So not having the toes straight forward, but a slight little turn out, not a full like ballet turn out, but just a slight little flaring out of the toes. Knees are soft, tailbone down, soft engagement through the lower belly, relaxing through the shoulders, opening up the chest, but relaxing the ribs down. From here, what we're going to do is just twist the hips, keeping the tailbone down the whole time. So right hip goes forward of the left, then left hip goes forward of the right. Right, left, right, left. I'm not trying to further bend my knees to drive the twist. That is a different technique which we will use later on for certain movements. But for now, try to keep the angle of the knees about the same. There is, of course, going to be movement of the thighs and the knees because the hips are moving. But I'm not trying to make it a bigger movement by alternating, bending, and straightening the legs. So I will show you this from this side. Find that basic posture, tailbone down, knees soft, ribs over hips, chest open, ribs relaxed. Keeping the tailbone down the whole time, I am just twisting the hips forward and back, meaning I'm not releasing the tailbone back as I do this. So if you find that you start to feel some pain through your lower back, it's probably because you're arching the lower back too much. So lengthen the lower back, point the tailbone down, use your belly muscles to sustain this posture as you twist the hips forward and back. And then also watch my knees. So see, of course, there's movement happening at my legs, but I'm not purposely trying to bend and straighten the knees any more than where they're naturally going. Facing forward again. Now, a couple more things to keep in mind is try to stabilize the upper body so that we're twisting from the waist down and there's minimal or no movement from the waist up. So the chest isn't twisting, the shoulders aren't twisting. So we want to make sure that we're not twisting with our whole body, but that we're isolating the lower body from the top. And then lastly, try not to use your hands and your arms too much to help you with this motion. So if you find that your hands are moving, just try to stabilize your hands as well. I find that maybe having a place to put them can help. So if you can stand in front of the wall and just hold on to the wall and practice your hip twists there, or grab onto a railing or some chairs or a bed frame, just to stabilize your arms and hands so that you can move from the waist down. And breathe. Make sure that you're breathing nice and steady. Full inhales, full exhales. And relax, shake it out. Shake it all out. Do a couple half circles through the front with your head. Come back to center. Inhale, arms up. And exhale all the way out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and comment and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. I would be happy to answer them. And if you want to learn belly dance online from me directly with real-time feedback and support, check out my website, SharqiDance.com. Link in the description below to see how you can learn from me. That's it for today. Happy dancing. I'll see you next time. Bye.